Hello folks, Easy right here. Welcome to my next video. Today we're going to change out a broken turn signal on my new to me 2011 GS 650. If that interests you, stay with me. And welcome back. Yeah, I've got a new to me 11 GS 650. My son was out using it the other weekend, and the turn signal just broke off. I don't know if the guy that sold it to me glued it on or something like that. But it's a common problem. You'll break these off. I checked out the BMW website. One turn signal from them is $78. So I checked eBay. I got two for $13. They're junk, but you know, how many of those will I break in time? All right, I'll turn the camera around and show you what to do. There's a broken little bugger. As you can see right here, it just snapped off there. Didn't happen when he dumped it, so I'm gonna guess. I don't know, it was kind of bent when I bought the bike, so it must have already been dumped or stressed or whatever. But they're pretty simple to replace. You don't have to take anything apart other than unscrew that T30 Torx head right there and that little screw in there. Once you take that screw out, you're just going to disconnect the wires from behind there and pull the wires out and then put it in the new one. And this is the new one I bought off of eBay. This right here doesn't really flex any, so this probably won't live past the first dump. But 13 for two of them, I'm not going to complain. Anyway, I'm going to take it all apart and then I'll show you. And just to remove the little screw on the front of the light bulb there, then you just pull everything apart. If you look inside here, you'll see there's two wires. Let me turn it around. One is blue and brown, the other one's brown. I'm assuming brown is ground. So just kind of remember what direction they're in. These light bulbs, I ain't never seen this light bulb before, and since this was good, I'm going to save it, because that's the same light bulb in the other one. You might be able to find these somewhere. I don't know what they are, whatever. But anyway, I never seen one look exactly like that. Alright, just pull them little wires out right here, take it all apart, and put the wires in the new one. That's all it is to it. And this is what it should look like. You just pull these wires out one at a time. There's all the other pieces from the old one that we're going to toss, and then it's just a matter of taking the other one apart, putting it all back together again. That's what it looks like when you push the wires through, and now I'm just going to put it all back together again. And a couple other things you might want to consider is small needle nose pliers, and this, I always put this dielectric on any kind of electrical connection on a vehicle, motorcycle that I work on. Just keeps stuff from rotting out. And then let's just test her out. Look at that. I see blinky lights. Always test your work. Alright, just going to do the other one same way. So hope this helped you out. Any questions, leave it below. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Thank you very much.